YouTube? Eric DIY here with another video review for you. Today we're going to review the Audew Multi-Function Mini Flashlight. So in the box they have the light itself, they have a charging micro USB cable, a lanyard, and directions. This light is rated at 350 lumens and it has various modes on it. I actually use this to put in the shower shelter, which also included our little bathroom facilities for camping out. I left this hanging there for hours on end and it still had juice at the end of it. I left it on the lowest light setting. So it's an awesome light for camping right off the bat. But we're going to show you the many features that it has and ways that you can use it. Now this light has multiple types of light on it. You have a flashlight right there, and this light bar right here flashes in different colors, which we're going to show you in a darkened place. But it also, over here, if you unscrew this, has a charging port where you can charge the light. This is your on-off switch, and this is so that you could power other devices. So this could actually also be a power supply for other USB devices. And you see that the cap is waterproof because this whole light is Ip68 Waterproof, so you're going to have no problems with it. Right here, it shows you the different types of light that you can have. You can use it as a flashlight, which is the one light over here. It also has a warning lighting, which very much looks like a police lighting in the United States here. You have emergency lighting, because it has like a orangey type light that you could have. Again, it's a portable source of power for USB devices. And it has magnets right here on the sides. I'm going to explore that, but this is magnetic. It's Ip68 waterproof. It has a light that is repellent to mosquitoes. I haven't tested that, nor will I, but it does have a repellent light, and it says protects the eyes. Alright, so we're going to put the Audew light through its paces. We're going to just go into the basement with this light, and we're going to see how bright it gets. This is on the lowest setting for the light bar, and we're going to walk down in this basement. And as you can see, it lights up the whole entire hallway fine. No problem. Even towards the bottom of the stairs. Alright, let's go to the second brightness setting now. Here we go. Now you can definitely see the bottom of the stairs and the whole thing. So for storms, this light would be awesome. Again, looking just fine over there. Alright, let's go to the brightest setting for the light bar. And as you can see, it's even brighter. It was definitely bright enough before, but I mean, if you need to see this light, then this is really, really good to have. And now we'll look at the regular flashlight. We have the dehumidifier in front of us. And you can see that's very directional and brightens up things in an excellent manner. And now we'll check out the bug light and the brightness of that. It's golden in color, so that way it doesn't attract mosquitoes. It is definitely more of an orangey color than what you're seeing on the camera, but it definitely is bright enough to do all that. And then finally you have your SOS light, which looks like police lights. And those are the different settings on the Audew light. One other possible application of this light, the Audew light that is to use as a flashlight for when the power is out and you have to check the circuit breakers or anything like that. And the excellent thing is that it has magnets on it. Got these little squares right here and here. And you can actually hang the light off the door while you're checking out your fuses or your circuit breakers like I have here. And it makes an excellent emergency light because of that. Another application I wanted to show you was that it's awesome to keep in your car for emergencies. For example, if you have to look underneath the hood, it's late at night, this light lights up the whole inside of your engine. You just stick it right on top, and it'll stay wherever you put it. And you can see the whole engine bay because of that. Even if you're changing a tire, you keep this in the car, it's going to light the whole thing, and it is able to stand up on its end. That's the way they designed it. It's nice and flat so that you can do that, to change tires and everything else that you need to do. Excellent for the car. The Audew Multi-Function Flashlight is amazing. I also want to mention again that it is waterproof, so you can use this in all weather types. It works great while camping. I showed you that it works great while repairing cars and stuff. And it's an excellent flashlight just to go through the house with in emergency situations. Excellent for emergencies. If you'd like to purchase your Audew Multi-Function Flashlight, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all that support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you can be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thanks, and have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.